Ozoi Beats from the Ozoi Media Group is proud to present the Linux Commands Quick Reference Guide by Ozoi Beats. This document has 60, you heard it right, 60 commands tailored for the beginner and what I like to call the advanced beginner that wants to dive a little bit deeper in the Linux operating system. So this document is placed on ozoi.com/oblog, ozoi.com/oblog, or check the link, the link in the description below. This has 60 commands that you should know as a beginner to dive deep as an advanced beginner, or if you forget, if you want to know what command does this document is for you. So this document has 60, you heard it right, 60 Linux commands, and this is going to be your future and quick reference guide. Keep it close to you, put it on your mobile phone, you can search it, and you'll find here for sure the command you need to use that for the action that you're actually trying to do as a Linux beginner or advanced beginner. Use this quick reference guide to guide you to see the command and a short description of its use case. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions specific to any of these commands. Go get it now, www.ozoi.com/oblog, or check the link in the description that I'm going to put below. I hope you find this useful. I am sure you will find this useful. Use it, abuse it for your profit and for your entertainment and for your enjoyment and for your future. Make things work. Linux Command Quick Reference Guide by the Ozoi Beats of the Ozoi Media Group. Get it at ozoi.com/oblog or check the description below for a direct link for this document. Beginners, advanced beginners, this is your one stop to know your commands. 60 commands, 60 commands for your reference. Like, subscribe and comment, enjoy the document, ask any question you may have in the comments below. Like, subscribe and comment really helps, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Enjoy.